Okay guys, we have the Rehkittz flashlight up for grabs for Lumen testing. Acclaimed fame is from the company is about 1,000 lumen. There are other companies making the exact same precise flashlight, or selling it at least under a different name, claiming the fame to 1,900 lumens or up to 1,900 lumens. Well, you know about up to ratings, it kind of depends on your power source, and we are running, of course, the stock included lithium-ion battery, which has, as far as amperage goes, let's pull this thing for you. It is using Rehkitt's own 2500 milliamp rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So let's see what we get. All right. We're definitely getting a little too close to the sensor, so we'll pull her back a bit. So we are seeing 17.5, we'll say. We'll just call it, I call it about 17.5 lumen overall. You got to kind of watch when you're testing these with the sensors, because you got to be right on the hot spot with your light to the sensor. Okay, so we're definitely fully covering the sensor. We're good. So yeah, let's call it 1500 lumen. So as far as Rehkittz goes, it's definitely 500 over. As far as the rest of them goes, well, it's definitely getting toward that up to 1900 range, but it's still not 1900. It's definitely not 1,000, but it is actually over 1,000. It's 1,500. So good on Rehkittz for that. That's a pretty good little machine there. It does supply quite a bit of light, you know, for that kind of lumens. So I'm quite happy with that light. I bought them as a pair, mainly for the cob, because I wanted that as a work light. I wonder if we can test the cob, actually, how well that would work out. So I can get enough coverage here. So we're looking at a little over 220, about 220, 225 lumen. So about I call that about 220. A little over 200 lumens for the cob itself. So for a work light, that's actually pretty decent. So, all right. Anyways, let's move along to the next flashlight. Stay tuned for more. All separate videos like I'd mentioned earlier, and we've got quite a batch to go yet, so let's keep her going.